So if you are looking for a Kobe 8 to actually hoop in and you keep striking out on actual Kobe's, bro, I'm telling y'all, this is going to be your best option right here. Bro, these are the best secondary options when it comes to Kobe's. Let's talk about it.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Troop, and today we're going to be doing a comparison and unboxing of a sneaker that I think you guys are going to like. Y'all are really going to be feeling this, and I hope this helps you guys when it comes to the performance aspect of actually getting a sneaker that's very, very close, if not just as good as the Kobe 8s, man. But before we get off into the content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. You guys have been killing it, and man, I cannot thank you enough for all the likes, all the subscribes, all the shares. Continue to do that, and we're going to continue to grow this channel. Now, with all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. All right, so we know that Kobe's in general have been hard to get, especially if you like to hoop and you like to hoop in low-cut sneakers. The Kobe 8s are probably one of the Kobe's that a lot of people, performance-wise, put it at the top tier when it comes to Kobe's, outside of the Kobe 9s. But this is the Venice Beach, and if you don't want to pay $260 aftermarkets, whatever they're going for right now, and you're actually going to be hooping in these sneakers, these are going to be going on feet, you like to drop in sole, this sneaker right here is going to be your best option. This right here is the Players Plus, the logo. This sneaker was literally made pretty much just like the Kobe 8 from the drop insoles and everything, but they do give you extra stuff when you come with it, and I'm gonna show you guys a comparison. So let me do that right now. So this is the Venice Beach. All right, so as you guys can see right here, the tops look pretty much similar, you know what I'm saying? As we look at the back end of these sneakers, look at this, y'all. They are pretty much the same. Even when it comes to the strap across the top, they are the same, you know what I'm saying? As we look at the outsoles, look at that, man. The same cut. I see a little bit of the Kobe 4 in this as well, but pretty much the same cut. Everything looks similar. As we look at the bottoms, as you guys can see right here, the bottoms are pretty much identical, even from the carbon fiber plate and everything like that. So even the cut on the toe box, is similar all the way down to the tongue, is real similar. The only difference is that the tongue on the Kobe 8s is real thin, as you guys can see right here. But on this Player Plus, you see right here that the tongue is really, really thick, as you guys can see right there. So that is the biggest difference. Now, this sneaker right here, they're available, and they're available in other colorways, and I'll drop a link down in my description section for you if you guys want to buy them. Now, just taking a look aesthetically at the sneaker, I don't like the logo. It kind of looks like a bootleg logo. I don't like that. But like I said, to hoop in, they're not aesthetically bad. You can't go wrong with the Kobe's. The translucent outsole is pretty dope. The toe box design is not bad. The back end of them is fire. Like, I actually like the back end. Kind of remind me of these Kobe's that you see on the screen, the big stage Kobe's. Get those vibes. And then, like I said, you do have a lot of extra support on the tongue. Let me lace these up and throw them on feet, and I'm gonna also put them on feet next to the Kobe 8 so you guys can see them on feet comparison. All right, so this is what they look like on feet, and I do have the Kobe 8 Venice Beach on feet as well. But I just kind of want to show you I just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like on feet. And as I have them on sizing, I'm definitely gonna say if you are a 11.5 like myself, 12.5 is probably gonna be your best bet, because this drop insole is super thick and this shoe is snug, bro. It is really snug. But if you really like that and you can deal with that, tolerate that, I do feel the support if it was the right size. But as you guys can see on the side, we do have the Player Plus logo right there in just black and white, you know what I'm saying? As we look at it compared to the Kobe's, the front view of them, As you guys can see, they're about the same height. The tongue on the Player exclusive is a little bit thicker and taller than the Venice Beaches, but for the most part, they do feel similar, man. Like, I really can't tell the difference. As we go to the back end of the sneakers to kind of show you the back end, and then I'll show you the sides of them as well. As you guys can see, man, if they are not close, even from the bar across the back end, they are very close. And then as we look at the bottoms of the sneakers, as you guys can see right there, that is what they look like. And like I said, the support and the comfortability is pretty much the same. They mimicked it really well. So let me put this Venice Beach down here, as you guys can see right here. See if I can show you guys. So that's the Venice Beach. That's the Players Plus. You guys let me know what you think. What are your thoughts and opinions? Check it out, man. Side by side comparison of the Kobe's. And they got other colorways. If you cannot get the Venice Beaches, if you cannot get these, and you want a sneaker to hoop in, I am telling you, and you want something close, performance-wise, this is going to be your best bet. This is going to be your way to go. Can't go wrong, man. Plus, they give you 2 drop insoles. And like I said, I think these shoes will be very durable and will last, especially on the court. It's just the sizing that kind of throws me off. Guys, they come in this box, right? This is the box they come in. This is the size tag, as you guys can see right here, and they fit just like the Kobe's. I went up a half a size, normally 11.5, so I went to a size 12. It comes with this white paper with the Player Plus logo, and then they come with the shoe. Of course, this is the other shoe, but they also come with the second set of insoles. And if you know anything about the Kobe 8s, they came with the drop insoles, and I'm going to show you guys. So in the Kobe 8s, this is what we have. Hold on, let me get this thing out of here. So this is the Kobe 8 insole, and then this is the Player exclusive. So you're getting the same type of insole. Let me show you guys the thickness. Y'all see the thickness or whatever? Same type of insoles, but they also give you, in the Player Plus, they also give you a secondary one that feels a little bit more like it has, and this is the one that came in it. This one feels like it has a little bit more cushion. So as you can see on the bottom, it's as thick, but you have these 2 pods that's a little bit more comfortability and stuff like that, more support. And then you have the thickness, which is the same thing, but it tells you on here that this has a lift arch. I hope you guys can see that. It says lift arch. So the technology is in these things, man. They are good to go. You get 2 insoles and you get the sneaker. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. I appreciate you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about these. And if you own these, just trying to give you guys a different variety of sneakers outside of the Jordans and the Kobe's and stuff like that, especially if you're looking for performance. I feel like this is a good option for you guys. But I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it.